So today we're going to be working on a 2013 Kia Optima. The customer booked an appointment so we can replace the clock spring, and you can see it has the airbag light on. Before we start working on any vehicle, we always do a pre-scan. Here's the pre-scan. It has a couple airbag codes in there. Remove that clip. Now the airbag is out. So you need a 22 to remove the steering wheel. Make sure you don't lose this right here. Okay. We're gonna remove these two right here. Push these up, push this down, and it does has another one down here. This will push back like this. And then you have these clips right here on the side. Here it is, the old clock spring is out. Here's the new one from the dealer. Don't buy aftermarket clock spring, please. It's not safe. I'm gonna connect everything back to where it was. Make sure it clicks. So now we have to put this back. Now let's grab the steering wheel. Now let's put the airbag back in place. That's it. That's how you replace the clock spring on a 2013 Kia Optima. Now we're gonna do a post scan and then make sure that the light is off. Let's go ahead and clear all the DTCs. All the DTCs clear. Let's generate the report. This is the pre and the post. So this is the report that we're gonna send to the customer. So now let's see if the airbag light is off. And you can see that the airbag light is off. So it was successful. That's how you replace the clock spring on a 2013 Kia Optima in order to turn off the airbag light, at least on this case. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment down below. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.